Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So let us learn some few ways to serve your coffee. So now put the concoction like this, and then we have to put the cream, and then to make the designs like this you have to slowly put in the cup and then drag it to make the shape like this. So you have to watch the technique how we are putting it and then drawing the lines and decorating it like this. So it's ready. Now moving on to the next one, take a cup and then we have to pour the coffee in it like this. So put some coffee beans first and then we have to make the coffee out of it like this. Now after that we'll be putting the milk and the water, whatever you like. Now after that we'll be putting the design over it like this. So take a sheet, you can get these easily in the market. Now you have to take the coffee in the cup as shown here. Now pour the Hershey syrup over it. Now take the milk and then pour it in the cup like this. Now after that we have to draw the lines, designs on it and then decorate it using the chocolate syrup like this. Now drag the sides of it to draw the lines like this and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you can pour these multicolor or beautiful rainbow color milk or milkshake in the cup. So put the food colors in the cup like this and then draw the lines beautifully in the cup. So watch the technique very carefully, how we are decorating it over and how we are pouring the cream and the milk so that it looks beautiful on the top. So now moving next, you can take the coffee in the mug. Now after taking the coffee, we'll pour some milk and then we will pour the cream over it. So now after pouring the milk on it, now we will make the design like this. So draw the designs over it as shown here. Draw the patterns, watch the technique how we are making it and look, it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.